I thought we'd do a quick recap of 2020 and where this channel's heading for the next year. I plan on making a whole heap more stuff in 2021. I'm currently doing a bit of work around the house, but once that's done, I'm going to start on a gantry crane build. This is going to make future machine moves so much easier. I plan on doing a lot more tool making and actually using the surface grinder a lot more this year as well. So I've got a lot of crazy potential ideas in my head that I just need to sort through, but here's a bit of a list of some of the things I want to maybe cover. Not all of these will go ahead, we'll see. Part of my goal this year is to get this workshop and filming equipment and everything to pay for itself. I plan on making a batch of 12 rotary broaches. I'm going to be charging $250 Australian for just the body. And if you think that's a bit too expensive, there's a lot of work in it, but I do have plans available if you want to make your own. Link below. And if you think that sounds about right, well, feel free to go ahead and buy it. I've also just started a Patreon account, so if you want to help support this channel and everything I do in this workshop, that's a good way to go about it. I plan on buying a new lathe in the next year. All this will go a long way to helping towards that. So a really big thank you to everyone watching. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers, so I guess it's time for a workshop tour and maybe a giveaway. So you guys watching is what keeps me going and keeps me making videos, so really big thank you. The YouTube community is absolutely amazing and there's some really awesome creators out there that you should really check out. Some of these creators are on this board, and I need to add a few more, to be honest. I really need to get my own logo and stickers, so I think this is going to happen this year as well. Not quite sure how to go about it. We'll get there. Thank you for watching and for all your support. 2020 is going to be an amazing year, so again, thanks for watching.